Well, we're out here today before it rains. They're trying to. My uncle's gonna pack in the dirt while my dad's pushing it down. Well, after he pushes it down, he's gonna walk it in like he did right here. It looks pretty good. That is a steep drop in real life. It probably don't look like it on my phone, but that is steep. Yep. Like, subscribe. Alright, my dad is pushing all that dirt down this hill because they're having to work on that house up there, and they have to get equipment up there, and it was just all this right here. It was like this all the way up to the back of the house. And my uncle's up there running the skid steer, but so he's pushing this all down. If y'all haven't watched the video, go check it out. About I think it was sometime last year, a couple months ago, that he came over here and he cleared all the trees out around here, and that was a good video. So y'all go check that out. But he had to come back over here to push all this dirt down with the dozer. I know y'all don't get to see that a lot because we normally don't use it on some jobs, but we're going to have some more dozer work probably. And it's about to rain, so he's trying to hurry up.
There's a song that I remember I never learned to play, and a lifetime of forgotten words I headstone reads or what kind of pine wood box I end up in. When it's my time, lay me 6 feet deep in God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in the 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. Yeah, I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in the 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he
Let's go, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Sun's up, and I'm working. Time to put my boots on. Time to strap on them overalls and put a good dip in. It's time to, crank it up. Detroit Cummins, power stroking Duramax, turbo whirling, burning coal up a hot stack. A pretty Prius from a city ain't got that, so I drive that. Shoot, it's for the backwoods, tractor pulling country folk. You can't miss them here, they whistle when they blowing smoke. Hauling everything from hay bales to bass boats. It ain't no joke, nope. Yeah, we love smoking.
Alright guys, so while they're working, I hope y'all been enjoying this video, but so he's packing it in to make it really solid like a backyard, and so they can get a man lift over here to work on that lady's house. So this is my dad, that's my uncle, that's my dad running the dozer. That's one heck of a mountain. I mean, the back of his tracks are coming off the ground when he backs up. So that's pretty cool. Make sure y'all like and subscribe.
Street lights along the highway, throwing shadows in the dark, and the memories keep on turning to the rhythm of a broken heart. You only need a roof when it's raining. You only need a fire when it's cold. You only need a drink when the whiskey is the only thing that you have left.
Alright guys, make sure to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and come back for part 2 of this video. We'll get some more footage, but right now I gotta stop filming because it is pouring down rain. So make sure to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this with everybody you know.